for today's video guys. Yan guys, na buo ko na guys. Yan ilaw guys. Hazard guys. Yan, buo na. Yan ilaw. Yung ano yan guys. Yan ang high yan guys, high. Tapos low. Yan. Oh, complete na guys. Yan. Tapos wiper guys. Umandar na guys. Yan. Yan, wiper guys. Tapos yung washer guys. Yung ano guys, yung sa tubig, sa salamin. Yan, meron na yan guys. Yan o. Oh, yan guys. Oh. Yan guys. Oh guys. Okay na. Okay na siya guys. Panel board guys, meron na rin mga ilaw guys. Yan. Yan hazard yan guys. Yan. Ilaw na yan. Yan, meron na yan guys. Ilaw. Ganyan lang guys. Sundan nyo lang guys kung ano, yung mga color code kasi may color code yan guys. Pero pwede rin ka rin mag ibang linya kung wala ng color code. Yan, pwede rin. And thank you guys, thank you for watching guys.